Welcome to my channel, IIT Foundation in Maths for 6th class. 5th chapter, Ratio and Proportion. This is part 3. We are doing examples. Find the value of x if 2, 16, 5 and x are in proportion. If 2, 16, 5 and x, these 4 are in proportion. If 4 numbers are in proportion, that is we have to take in the same order. Order is important here. So if 2, 16, 5 and x are in proportion, these two are called extremes. The first number and the fourth number is called the extremes and the middle number is called the means. There is a rule for proportion. Product of extremes is equal to product of means. That is 2 into x is equal to 16 into 5. Therefore, x is equal to 16 into 5 by 2. So 2 ones, 2 eights, 8 fives, 40. Therefore, x is equal to 40. So next example, in a milk solution, water and milk are in the ratio 2:15. If the quantity of milk is 6 liters, find the quantity of water in the solution. So let the quantity of water is equal to the quantity of water is equal to x liters and the quantity of pure milk is given as 6 liters. So quantity of pure milk is 6 liters. Therefore ratio of water and milk. Ratio of water and milk is equal to x liters is to 6 liters. That is equal to x is to 6. But this ratio is given as 2:15. That is in the milk solution, the ratio of water and milk is 2:15. But water x liter anukunamu, milk 6 liters అని ఆల్రెడీ ఇచ్చారు కాబట్టి వాటర్ ఈస్ టు మిల్క్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు x ఈస్ టు 6 అవుతుంది. అంటే 2:15 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2:15 రేషియో ఆఫ్ వాటర్ అండ్ మిల్క్ ఈజ్ యాజ్ x is to 6. That is, this ratio is equal to this ratio. When two ratios are equal, the four numbers are in proportion. 2, 15, x and 6 are said to be in proportion. So when four numbers are in proportion, the product of extremes is equal to the product of means. Here the product of extremes, that is 2 into 6, is equal to the product of means 15 into x. Therefore x is equal to 2 into 6 by 15. That is equal to 3 5s, 3 2 6, 2 2s 4 by 5. Or this can be written as denominator 4 into 2 8, 5 into 2 10, 8 by 10. That is x is the, what is x? Quantity of water. Therefore quantity of water is equal to 8 by 10 liters. 8 by 10 is equal to 0.8 liters. Therefore water is equal to 0.8 liters. If this liters is converted into milliliters, that is as 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters, 0.8 liter is equal to 0.8 into 1000 milliliters. Therefore 1000 into 0.8 is 800, or 8 into 1000 is 8000, and as there is decimal point after one digit, we can put here decimal point, and this is ml, that is 800 ml, 800 milliliters. The quantity of water is 800 milliliters.